Dyllan found us through one of my clients who also happens to be his therapist. His therapist was hoping Dermagrafix had a solution to help camouflage his scars from his life-saving surgeries. Dyllan was hit by a train, and he lost his ability to talk, as well as his ability to move and walk freely. When I heard about his tragic accident, I really wanted to help him. It had taken a while to get him here due to his condition. However, once he was more stable and mobile, he visited us so we could discuss the possibilities of treatment. He really needed some help with his confidence, as well as looking beyond the accident that interrupted his life. My team and I made it possible for Dyllan to get his complete treatment here at no cost, so he could re-engage in the workforce with restored confidence. Besides the concealment of his cranial scars, we also went ahead and helped Dyllan with some hair loss that he was experiencing. Dyllan's SMP treatment was an absolute success. It was such a pleasure to work with him. And today, Dyllan is walking, making friends, volunteering, communicating, all thanks to his rehabilitation. After having had our scalp micropigmentation treatments to conceal his scars and his hair loss, Dyllan is ready to approach the workforce with confidence. We wish him the absolute best.
You changed my life.